Unit 2, Lesson 5, Great Athletes. You might think that Olympic athletes are the healthiest people in the world. It's true that many are. However, it's also true that quite a few Olympic athletes had to overcome illnesses early in their lives. One excellent example is Wilma Rudolph. She competed in track and field events in the 1960 Olympics. She didn't win just one gold medal, she won 3. At the time, people called her the fastest woman in the world. As a young child, Wilma Rudolph could not participate in sports. She had a series of serious illnesses, and then, at the age of 4, she got polio. She lost the use of her left leg, and the doctors said she would never walk again. The people in Rudolph's family did everything they could to help her walk again. Wilma and her mother frequently traveled 100 miles to get treatments for her leg. Her brothers and sisters took turns giving her leg a daily massage. 4 times a day, they helped her do special exercises for her leg. Amazingly, by the time Rudolph was 9 years old, she was able to walk again. Before long, she started playing basketball and running. In high school, she was a track star, and then she went to the Olympics. Wilma Rudolph retired from her career as a runner when she was 22 years old. She then became a teacher and track coach. Her story encouraged many people to work hard and to overcome difficulties.